This is Honor X6, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can bypass parental controls on this device. So as you can clearly see, my parental controls are currently active. So in order to bypass or turn them off without having to grant any parental permission or authorization, you will need to launch Settings, then enter the Google category. In here, tap at the Manage Your Google Account button. Then once the Google Account Management Center loads, open, or rather go for the Data and Privacy section, scroll the Data and Privacy page all the way down, and tap, go for the Delete Your Google Account option. Next, in order to continue, we will need to quickly input the account password. So let me do that off the screen real quick. At the next page, you will need to check two boxes. At the bottom, then tap at the Delete Account button to your bottom right. And at this point, if the synchronization works properly, the parental controls should have already been switched off. So let me quickly check that. Already, as you can see, no Google account linked over here, and if I will open up the list of parental controls, there will be none. So now the last thing that I need to do, and show how you can do it as well, is how to recover the Google account, since we have just deleted it, and well, I don't think you would like to lose the account. So this process is very simple, even simpler than turning the parental controls off. You will just need to sign into Google app, or Play Store in particular, or any other Google app or service will do. You will need to sign into it with the said deleted Google account. So type in the email address or login. Okay, let me do that off the screen, since it will be way quicker. Then you should get the following message confirming that this account was recently deleted and may be recoverable. That's exactly what we are looking for. Then follow the previous message by inputting your account password, hit the next button, and 9 out of 10 times you will get the something went wrong error message. That's completely fine. Just re-enter your account credentials. And usually the second time around, it will let you go through no problem. So start by inputting the email, then followed by password. You should have known the drill by now. And then just proceed with the Google login or sign in ritual as you would normally do. And as you can see, it lets us go through, which means that the account was recovered or restored. So that will be it. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.